Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Nadia, and in today's video we're gonna show you a premium quality renovated apartment that is almost right after this corner. It's fully renovated with very nice luxury materials in a unique style that you're gonna love. It's just around the corner, but look what we have in our surroundings. We have nice restaurants, we have Italian, Mediterranean food, and of course this nice beach. This is one of the best in the whole area. And again, there we have where you see all the palm trees. We have the right center of La Mata in the plaza. Many restaurants, pharmacies, the bus stations are also there. And to that side, you can still continue by this very nice and a new promenade, by the way, and you can go almost kilometers and enjoy the view and the breeze of this air. Now, let's get closer and see the apartment. So here you can see just around this corner, there we can have the sea and a few more steps and we get into the apartment. So this is the access to our nice apartment. You can see that here we have our private terrace already, and you have the main door here, and also you have access to put any chairs or whatever you wanted in this space. But let's get closer and go inside. So once inside, this apartment receives us right away to this very nice and open space. Look how big these windows are and how much natural light we already can enjoy. So this is a very nice, open and welcoming space. Here we have the dining area, and I want you to pay attention to the details. Every piece of wood that you see in this house is natural wood. So each material that you see here that looks natural is because it is, and that's the best part. And the ambience here combines the modern luxury but also within materials. I wish you could smell how well the wood color is. And again, let's get closer to see what nice details we have in this house. Each window here has electric blinds, so you can comfortably close them or open them. Okay. Now in each room also we have air conditioner, and the whole apartment has heated floors for your convenience. Now let's get to see the nice kitchen. Just look at these materials. The granite here, it's not an unusual color. It has purple parts in there, and the kitchen is fully equipped, and it has integrated washing machine, the fridge, so everything keeps the very tidy styling of this house. This is really nice detail. And again, here, all of this wood, it's real wood, real stone. This is a very good detail that every material is high quality. Now I want to bring you to the solarium of this property. Let's go. And here again, we go to a very nicely planned open space. Here we have the dining and kitchen area, and here we have the lounge. Look how much sun we have, the space, and all of these plants that add a lot of personality and comfort to the area so you can enjoy. And look how much people you can fit here. You can make real nice parties. But let's again get closer and pay attention to the materials, because look, these granite details here, the kitchen, and here you have really nice barbecue, which is unusual to have here with its own extractor. Okay, that's really nice. Big table, and super important, the fridge for your beverage. And everything here is real wood and real stone, even the floors. How nicely thought. But let me show you now the bedrooms in the downstairs. Come on. We have 3 bedrooms in this apartment, and the first one here, it has a bunk bed, a big windows, again, air conditioner, which is, by the way, by the brand Mitsubishi. It's one of the best in the market. Big windows with electric blinds, nice space, and again, the best possible materials. I will get a little bit closer to the qualities of the bed in the end of the video. Now I want to show you this bedroom. again, look how nicely designed this is, because even the fibers of the bed sheets, it's all natural. And again, repeating myself, but if you could be here and feel how good it smells because of the real wood, it's really nice. And for example, look at this lamp. It is handmade, and it's done with all natural shells. How cool is that? And imagine the price of that thing. Now the third bedroom. And what I want to make mention here is, again, in this room we have big windows, the aircon, and the wardrobe. But I want to explain you why this bed cost almost 10,000 euros. Because it's from the brand Duxiana. It's one of the best brands in the world, and it's used in the best hotels, even for example in the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. It uses the best possible materials, and it has a lot of personalization. You can choose even the softness of this mattress. It has the main bed, and then it has this little mattress that you can order soft, medium, or hard depending on your needs. And the brand gives years of guarantee because this is a top quality brand. Now let's continue to see what this beautiful apartment offers, and it's the bathroom. So in the bathroom, it's not different. Again, we are using the best materials and brands in the market. For example, like here we have Villeroy and Bosch, and again they use this really nice granite stone with the purple details. You cannot find something like this in anywhere else. But here we have also really nice shower plate, and we have built-in shelves there. And of course, here we have heated floors. But let's get to the living room again, to the openness of this space, and again, all of these very nice materials, the light, the natural light. So to wrap about this apartment, why it's so nice offer, because we are just so close to the best beach of the area, La Mata Beach, where we have nice restaurants, we have pharmacies, the bus stations to get to Torrevieja city, and in general, what this area makes it so nice, it's that we have nice quality, and the people, when you come here, you just love the ambience to be here, to live here. So you can make it possible having a property like this, because you're right in the center of that quality life. But again, if you have this type of property, you have the quality also inside your home. Look at the windows, big windows, natural light, air conditioner in each room, and the floor heatings, top materials and natural materials, and all combined in a very nice design and style. But this apartment is for 325,000 euros, which is almost in the first line of La Mata. This is amazing price for such nice finishes. And if you compare, for example, with a new build, you cannot find anything like this, because sometimes it happens that new build maybe lacks in a little bit of this style. Here, everything was well thought for you, and you just buy it and you can enjoy the life. And 3 bedrooms in more than 109 square meters. You have 2 terraces, but one of them is that nice solarium that we've been before. And the best is, if you want to live so close to the beach that you can walk in less than a minute, this is your property. I think this is all for this video, but if you want to know more because of the beds, the kitchen, if you have any more questions and want more information, you will have my contacts below on the screen so you can get more information. See you in the next one. Bye.